Looking for the best camcorders? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 camcorders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Canon VIXIA HFG50 Camcorder. Records captivating 4K UHD video. Wide-angle lens. Features a 20x optical zoom. Premium stabilization. Slow and fast motion video. Bright LCD touchscreen viewfinder. Includes 2 SD card slots. Canon's best camcorder takes detailed and color-accurate 4K UHD video and supports a range of features that professional videographers will enjoy. It takes a little while to fully charge its battery. At number 2. Panasonic V180K Full HD 1080p Handheld Camcorder. Affordable. Lightweight. Compact. Crisp 1080p Full HD recording. Bright LCD touchscreen. Impressive 90x zoom. Crystal clear audio. Blur-free video. Level shot feature. Panasonic's HCV180K camcorder is a versatile and budget-friendly little model that incorporates more useful features than you may expect at this low price. Not the best camcorder for low-light recording. At number 1. GoPro Max. Impressive 6K and 360-degree video. Waterproof. Especially durable. Stable footage. Includes 4 digital lenses. Features multi-directional audio. Convenient editing companion app. The rugged and feature-packed GoPro Max is ideal for capturing every angle of your wildest outdoor adventures. A PC-based editing app would be convenient. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.